Hello and welcome to Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you the November 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit, which is Gifts Galore. So this was the box that came. And this is a fun little kit that came this time. Kind of Christmas theme. So when we opened it up, here is what the projects were. There was 3 different designs. A Christmas tree, a snowman, and some gifts. And what these are is little gift bag holders. Actually, they're not so little. I'll show you in a moment. And then the instructions on here. So it comes this month with the Flirty Flamingo Stampin' Up! Spot. There was 2 different ribbons or twines. Flirty Flamingo and I'm not sure what this one was. It looks more like an old olive to me. It is old olive. There was some little bit of dimensionals there. Oops. The stamp set. You can see that. We got a Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Oh What Fun. There's a To From stamp. So lots of versatility with that stamp there. There was a bunch of die cuts here. Some circles, some of these little tags here, and then gift tags there as well. Some gift bags. These are what I had left over, so these are a decent size. And then these were the little boxes, the little gift boxes, which I'll show you. And these were the outsides. So you needed 2 of each of these to make the complete gift box. So I'll just put all this aside and show you what the projects were. So here is the presents. And oh, I forgot to show you too that it also came with these little paper clips, little tiny gold paper clips. So you can see there's a little gift box in there, and then it comes with a little treat bag, which I filled with some goodies in there, and you got your To From, and then it just fits inside. So that was one. Then there's a snowman one. Okay, same idea. And then the Christmas tree. And there was enough to make 3 of each design. So some alternative to that, with the dies being such a big stamp, I was struggling a little bit, so I just made a simple card with each of them. So there's that one with the Christmas tree, this one with the presents, and I just cut out one of the top presents because the die itself was a little bit big, so I cut the top one off and just popped it up on the bottom there. Okay, so that's 2, and then the snowman. And all I did with this is just trimmed it down to match my paper. Okay, so lots of variety there, and but I just love the gift bag, so I didn't want to vary too far from it. So I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of some alternatives, as well as the November 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Please subscribe to the channel, and happy stamping!